In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. So I searched different methods on the internet on how to fix this, and the only one that worked was this from this Reddit post. So you're gonna have to go into Monopoly Go, turn on airplane mode. So you're gonna have to make sure data and Wi-Fi are turned off. Then you're gonna have to roll. If you like the roll, turn off the airplane mode, and if you don't, leave the Monopoly Go app. Hold down on the app on the home screen, click the three little dots at the corner and go to app info. Clear data, turn airplane mode off and log back into your Monopoly Go account, and everything should be as it was before you rolled. So basically this is how to fix this problem. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.